So coterminal angles are angles that just have the same terminal point. So like 0, 360 degrees, 720 degrees, negative 360 degrees are all examples of coterminal angles. They're all angles that end at the same place. So here's some examples of coterminal angles. So 45 degrees would be half of 90. So this is 45 degrees. If this is my axis. Okay, pi is the same as 180, right? So this would be pi. Okay, 1910 would be, if I had my axes, I'd rotate 360 a couple of times. Exactly 5 times. So we rotate starting here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we rotated our 5 times. And then we would rotate another 110 degrees. Which is about here. So this is 1910 degrees. Okay, this is the same as 110 degrees. Okay, so let's do 19 pi halves. Which means we go around 9.5 times. So here's our thing. We're going to go around pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, 9 pi. Whew! We're going to go around another half pi. Half pi. So this is 19 pi halves. This is also known as pi halves. It's generally what we consider it. Okay, if I rotate it negative 250 degrees. So I'm here. I'm rotating negative 250. So it'll be like here. It's like there it is. And this is the same as 110 degrees. So these two are coterminal. Because they end at the same place, their original angle is 110 degrees. So let's look at negative 5 halves. So again, we make our thing. We're going to go negative, so we are rotating negatively. We're going to go, there's 1, so there's 1 half, 2, 3, 4, 5 halves puts me here. If I was rotating negative 5 halves. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So that means that my angle is this. And generally, this would be considered 3 pi halves if we were going around the other way. If we counted the number of halves. So this is 3 pi halves. All right? I want you now to do these ones and see if you can find any other coterminal angles or ones that match. Okay? And go ahead and do these. See if you can find other coterminal angles. Once you're done with that, see if you can answer these two questions. Two angles are coterminal if Coterminal angles in degrees are multiples of blank apart, and coterminal angles in radians are multiples of blank apart. Okay, think about it. All right, and then write a recap of today's lesson. You've got this.